Kublai P Baro Shakatup Kubor Jungi Kadan Bosco Media Network. Kimat Kibakong San Menta Kasni Kilong. Jurip Menteri Rangba Yakawa Umkra Bat Sekretariat Pertimai Ha Sauli. Betha Kakong RM Kurba DC yang hifad ba ban kusyar betha Akademi Keahlian Islam. Ban Penkuk Burong ke NPYF Umroy Blok Yau Samla Ivan Shanti Bat Yakakwinsi Karsala. Parmentai ni Pai Kubor ke company. Menteri Rangba Konrad K Sangma rengkat ki officer kilaret jingo ekijing trei joka sorkar ki badan harut kawa umkra polo hadu katnu kilaya chaprang habalapet ekijing trei ha kani ka jaka ulahiar sha sauli banjurip ekijing trei naga benta ke sekretariat pertamai ki badang ya chaprang ulapet saniru yaki surok ki barung bami sha sekretariat layakran ru bantung de ki dieng ban pen internet Yaki Surok New Shillong Township. Yaka sekretariat berthamai ke sorkar Kalamang ban penlut Shi Hajar Shispa Prapu Praklur Tengka bat en pendai bagi jingtrai haus 6 Hajar arpuhnyo. Ki jingtrai mentah kidang ya chaprang. Ya umau nong rem juga sekretariat berthamai latung haka arpuwai tarik kelalengkot Hajar arpusan. Enda lakan ria Yaka sekretariat Nasional Sha Sauli kan penkeluar yaki lenti kisingkin ki balakhamnya bat shlei haman kidong bat kilat kasor Shillong la Menteri Rangba. Wilayah Thuru ki surok New Shillong Township ki penyasno haman ki jaka bakidon ki office ban pensuk yakalet kawan jogi nongtrei bat ki padba ki bawan don kam sha office sorkar. Ulaong ru yaka sorkar kan sate yaka Unity Mall hakane kasor pathamai. Na Sauli Menteri Rangba ulahiar sha Umir ban Maukhanu ban pet yaka surok kaba penyaso yaka New Shillong Township. Hapolo ulale jingo yaka mall kaba sorkar ketemu ban IY nak benta kidukan babunjan. Kajing pen internet yaka road pikiar jong kawa umkra kalong si benta ban penkre yaka National Games Hajar arpuhnyo kaban pen internet yaka ni kajaka. Ula kentu ki padba kamtam kitu ki basyong hasilenter kawa umkra ban penne ya kajing khu jing suba ya kani kawa ban long kajing sngaw sarong ya kani kajela.
We have come here today in Polo area to inspect the work of the Polo Mall under the Smart City as well as the riverfront development project which is funded by the state government. And as you can see, the work for the Polo Mall is complete, and now we are under the process of renting out or leasing out the different shops that are there, and we are hopeful that within the next couple of months a few of the shops and areas will be active. There is space for entertainment center, there is space for food court, and there are very large shopping areas and even commercial areas for organizations that wish to have their space there. I'm very happy to see the work in the Polo Mall come up very fast, and as I said, within the next couple of years, couple of months, we should be able to get the rooms and the place active. In regards to the riverfront project, again, this is one of the very important projects for us. Keeping in mind again the overall beautification of Shillong and the National Games which is coming up in 2027. There are two parts to this particular project. One is the development of the riverfront in terms of the infrastructure and also the overall cleaning up of the river itself. So we are very keen to do both. Today we have come to inspect the infrastructure development work, and it's going on at very fast pace, as you can see, and we expect that by the end of this calendar year or early next calendar year, hopefully within the financial year of 2025-26, we should be able to complete this first phase of the riverfront. We have a second phase also that's coming up, where we will be building up more areas for smaller shops and eateries, as well as some parking space and some space for people to stay in, more like a hostel area. where sports people can come and stay here, and this can become kind of a area for sports training, especially high altitude training. So all of these projects are going on, so I'm very happy to see the progress, and I'm hopeful that, as I said, within the next 8 to 12 months, we'll see this entire riverfront come up very, very well. And but at the same time, I do urge that the riverfront without the river being clean is going to be meaningless. And therefore, I urge the citizens, the local Dorbar, the headmans, and the society at large to work together with the state government to ensure that we are able to keep our rivers clean. This requires the participation of the people, especially the residents, and we will be working very closely with them to ensure that this target also is achieved. After this, we'll be going and serving.
Deputy Commissioner East Khasi Hills, but Chairperson, District Disaster Management Authority, Kong RM Kurba, Kalabatha ekipat ba banlong kiba husiar bat petngor habajur ulaba habatir uperthat bat kaleli kamtam menta balokpoi ka ayom Islam. Hakajingkentu pat ba Public Advisory ka Deputy Commissioner kalakentu ban bu bhai kitiar kitar kimar kimata ban penskem kitunum yem ban light na kajing sha lit bat jing sha rong ha ka eryong. Labatharu ladawan kajing thaba kaleli ka bajur bat ban Islam kiar na kajing pendankam kitiar elektrik kum ki mobile, isteri, radio, television, heater, bat kiwe kitiar ki ba pendankam da ka bor elektrik. Labatharu ikinong song banlong ki ba pikir bat yada yaladi na marha bajur uslap kan bun kajing shlei ka bajur haki ye kisam ki badan harut wa ni kinala ki ba he. Hakani ka por slap lakan tu ki pat ba ban kiar na kajing yat lengba ya ki wa na marka umsaw kala banwan ha kanu ka khilmat batrong ya ki briu lakan turu ikipat ba wat jam ki wa do ki wa ba bat ikshat ha ka por bajur slap na mar amtep lepa ya ka bor cha ka ka ba ikumba jendong henre ka tutstat bat kala apat ban penkelon ya ki briu ya kinonya akali labatha ban kiar na ki surok ki bashlei na ki post elektrik ban light na kanu ka jingma bat jingman sa lakar padru ekipat ba ban dial hauli number iwe ar lada ja badon kinu ki jingja badon kam bat bakerki. National People's Youth Front NPYF Umroy Block haka pratarik jemang kila penkup burom bat ais ngobha da ki laptop sha armut ki samla ki balawan shakmat haka examination secondary school leaving certificate SSLC ki ba na Umroy constituency. Kini armut ki samla ki balawan shakmat haka SSLC kilong usamla Ivanshan nongrum nan nong thamai kerdam ubak pule ha Sacred Heart Boys Secondary School Maulai ubalawan ha kerdan baar ha pedengki arphongut second top 20 bat ka Quincy Kharsano ka bapule ha Umroy Presbyterian Secondary School bat ka balawan ha kerdan ka bahenyo ha ka top 20 ha kane ka jing penkup burom mekini ki samla na kaliang ka NPYF Umroy Block kala ais ngobhaya ki daki laptop bat memento ban penslur bat ai mensi meki wei ki samla na kane ka constituency ban lebha ha ki jing puli jongki uba daman bat lamare MLA Umroy ulalong kongsan ha kane ka jingelang penkup burom bat la sakhiru da uba penhun renghang General Secretary NPYF uba Rishan Lengdo President ke NPYF Umroy Block kinongelam ke NPYF lambat ki bahyeng hasem jongkini ki samla
kadeiru kasngi mangita pagajing sokmen nayon ke krui gade ban leprom ane ban IP yegini kitiar walai dei beriru thai dei jingker kuba pinyo ama man punon kam ayaki nganu gani kapor na kitbok kirwen yepi pakadero kajing sosorong betang ni dosen pejongpi Bat ke hero ke jisu surong yang kumu emele naga than ke dong bani pisong pisa. Ite ni ke konspirasi jonga nasyo kemen ado kata ya pada su surong. Ngayo ela ke ti pan kop serum seneng bagi kena jonga gidon ki kami sekmat naga ni than ke dong ke jongi. Bat hero nang ai mesti tu su pi ke ne ke jing kiu jong pi le ni ke jing chief ke jong pi ni rules. Kamdera ban kut dengan sakut tangane. Kermal skemban nang mi Welsnem nang mi Singapore nang he kerta di kata he kejimu ci perkajo biru kan he ba pina yo susu ban aile ban ai soba ya bi kumgiri jina jina soba kumgiri ai matang sini haki por kesi kisem sowan bagi kermal skem biru bin lebha menaga Welsnem menaga kelas bin lebha hado ban posi tarthong imut jaga jigim ke jopi dengan kitbok kirong yapi namar bagawe ka kamlong sukhor ta kertin dan mahap keren baik namar namun ta kajing bha jopi pirayok ka chigni kerdan ngimber bang susurong bang ngimber bang skikai ya ke pule putih kumala onga kamdir bang kutta ke ni jingkiu le ni jing achi pul jopi namar nane sakmat pinang kiu susu ni kerman skem ba pinang kiu susu pinang rai kuburom ya ke ye kusem ke jompi le pa jompi bat rai ku burom ni ke than ke dong bat rai ku burom ro ya nga ku amle jompi bang yo susu pan ko pan serong na berta jompi sejuwe bagi ni pra amle ro nga yo ban ko pan serong dupli gitu bang datang we pas yang rem ibu ke joko ko menin nang ja kata dhol we upurlok tunga amle tena guru ndana pas ta u le khmat sebok tu ngata कोई भी पास में हो यार भाई हमारा तो सब खेल है बहुत बुता yang tahu ini restar ke sebuah genang pun manusia bisa lock example sedon dan yang ini pun harus
Bat da kitu ki khubor ngla poish ka bakut tar hadu bangin le shambiang khublei shibun